Hi everybody, I'm Bob Kovacs, and in this video I'm going to replace this shower head. Now this shower head looks yellow. It used to be white. We've had it for 15 or 20 years, and over the years, well, it no longer matches our bathroom's white walls, so we're going to replace it. It still works good, but it just doesn't look good. Also, in the process of replacing the shower head, I'm going to remove this water filter module. We no longer need it. And I'm going to replace the shower head with this water pick model we got at Costco on sale for just $30. This isn't a very hard project, so let's get started. First, remove the old hose by using a pair of pliers and unthreading it off the fitting. Then, in my case, I did the same thing to remove the old water filter. Now, many of you won't have a water filter, so you'd simply remove the bracket for the shower head. If you have Teflon sealing tape on the old pipe threads, remove as much of it as you possibly can. The new shower head does not require any sealing tape. The new shower head bracket has what they call a pivot ball inside of this fitting. You need to open the fitting and remove the pivot ball. Slide the threaded shower head locking nut over the pipe, then screw on the pivot ball. Tighten the pivot ball 1/4 turn using pliers. Next, install the new bracket, just hand tightening it as tight as you can get it. Thread the hose onto the shower head bracket, tightening it as best you can just by hand. Don't use any tools on it. At the other end of the hose, affix it to the new shower head, again threading it on just by hand and tightening it just with your hands as tight as you can make it. The last step is to hang the new shower head into the bracket, and it's done. And that's all it takes to install the new shower head. The only question now is, how well does it work? And the answer is, it feels pretty good. I like it. Hey everybody, I'm Bob Kovacs. Thanks for watching.